Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unsuspend your suspended Twitter account. So if this video helps you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. At first open a browser from your mobile, then in the address bar just type help.twitter.com. Okay, it's twitter.com. Then you will see a search option, just click on here. In the search box just type appeal, search, then scroll down little bit. As you can see, you will see this option, appeal a locked or suspended account. Just click on this option, then you will see a little logout button. Just click on logout. So now you have to log in to your suspended account. After login, you will see a form. Just fill up that form and write maybe Twitter mistakenly suspended my account and request for a review. After requesting, Twitter will review your account, and if this is a mistake from them, then they will unsuspend your account. So this is how you can unsuspend your suspended Twitter account. Thanks for watching.